Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the new feature that allows you to see who's viewed your TikTok profile. Profile views is a feature TikTok has been rolling out for a while now, and it looks like now most people have access to it. Before we begin, if you're still not seeing this, head to the App Store, search for TikTok, and make sure that you're up to date. If there is an update available, do that first. Now that TikTok is updated, open the app and then tap your profile icon on the bottom right. Next, at the top, you should see the profile view icon that looks like an eye. If you still don't see this here even after updating, then the feature hasn't been rolled out to you yet. If you do though, choose that. Now you'll be able to turn the feature on. By doing this, other users who also have this feature turned on will now be able to see if you viewed their profile too. Profile view history lasts for 30 days and is private to only you and the others that have this enabled and viewed yours. It also lets you know that you can turn this feature on or off at any time. Tap Turn On at the bottom to enable profile views. Now when you tap the profile view icon, a list of other users that have viewed your profile will then appear. And that's how you turn on profile views to see who's viewed your TikTok profile. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.